Hey, welcome to Mac's Garage. I'm Mac, and today we're going to be changing the hub, the rotor, the brake pads, and the brake line. So we already did the other side. It took a lot of PB Blaster, a BFH, and a lot of heat. So anyways, I'm not gonna be able to do a whole lot of it because while I pretend I'm really strong, I know I'm not. So let's go through like what we're gonna do, and I'll just show you as it goes. We're gonna take this axle nut off. There's I think 3 bolts in the back to take this off completely, just to change the hub. Then the rotor will go right on top of that. We will take this nut out, get this line off, which attaches to the brake here. So we'll be changing this part of the line in order for it to extend down farther for the long arm, and then changing the brake pads. I think I can do that part, at least. But that's the gist of what we're doing. I'll show updates as we go. So let's get to it.
All right, Mac would go get us some lunch, so I'm gonna continue on. This side came out much easier than the other side. I'm gonna clean up this bore in here, clean all that stuff up, put a slight bit of grease on it, and go ahead and stick the new hub on. There's the old one and the new one. All right, new hub is on. Now I'm going to move to putting the new rotors, new pads, and this extended brake line in.
So my husband's lovely. I picked up lunch while he did this. I didn't even do the brake pads. Oh well, everything's done. New hubs in, new rotors in, new brakes in, new line in. Now we gotta bleed the brakes, and the longest ever freaking time to do a lift kit by me. And we haven't even done the back. Yay, okay, let's get to it. Brakes are bled. That took less time than we thought it was going to, luckily. I will say, being on inside the Jeep while on the lift, I was getting motion sickness. That was a lot of fun. Anyways, the front is done other than the fact that the alignment is off. So it looks like it's about a 1/2 inch to 1 inch poking out more on this side. So we're gonna have to adjust the track bar. But that is a task for another day. That being said, we have that and the back to do. I said it's gonna be easier than the front. My husband rolled his eyes. But I really think that nothing could be as bad as everything that happened in the front next time, right? Right. So if you wanna see the rest of the Jeep's progress, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next week.